niguo kuhota gukinyaniria motungata magaciru kuri muingi. Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ninyitanire na thirikari ya bururi wa Iran hari kwambatiria ikiro cia motungata. Iran ikinyanirie kuhingurwo gwa thibitari guku Nairobi uria uriheanaga motungata mahigo kuri muingi. Ministry ikiranira aria mari mathaga motungata guku ni marigiaga na mweke wa kuhuthira utungata wa SHA.
They have a 10-bed hemodialysis. This means those patients who have chronic kidney failure will now be able to benefit from the services here. They have state-of-the-art dialysis machines.
It symbolizes that Iran is ready to share all its capacities in health sector with our friendly countries and nations, and in particular Kenya.
Oho ministry yugite matanya mao ni gukuruhania anyiti itemi othe sector-ini ino niguo gukinyaniria kioneki gia bururi kigie mubango wa UHC.
In the recent past we have noted an increased incidence in injuries, a lot of trauma cases coming in, some of them from natural causes like the mudslide that we had recently. So the journey of universal health coverage means ensuring that all Kenyans are able to access services.
One of the challenges we have our country is a geographical challenge, the distance between where the services are rendered and where the patients are. The more facilities that are open across the country that are providing similar technical services, the closer services.
Andu makiria ma 20,000 kuma gitaru-ini kia Afrika ni mathiaga mabururi ma Thailand na India kumatha motungata ma urigiti, na kuringana na nyiti itemi motungata maria mamathagwo mabururi-ini macio no moneke guku bururi-ini. Korwo athondeki a indo iria ihuthikaga mathibitari-ini no mahurwo njeki uria kwagiriire.
So the more facilities we have in Nairobi and across the country, Kenya will become a medical hub.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo Wambui wa Njuguna.
Hemodialysis center, we have physiotherapy.